Philly! Damn, they thought we wasn't gonna hit this shot. Really? King! Gilly! Let's go! You see, it's nothing like fear.
ATL. Hey man, it's Sublime from Naked Brown. I'm Mr. Westside OG. Checking in the building right now. Prison UTV, man. Somebody, this is a good thing y'all got going on.
We got some
serious. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. ASAP. Yeah, man. Hey, shout out to New York right now. He'll be here tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
He'll be here tomorrow. Yeah. All day, every day. I'll give you that. I see it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Check it out, man. CO the Politician live at 3D on Prison UTV, man. Ozone Weekend, live at the Hilton downtown.
Hot Rod, you know what it is.
Ozone all day, man. Prison UTV, man. If you don't know the name, look at the goddamn chain. We on it now, man. Get it in. H-Town, my first time out in H-Town. You know what I'm saying? Sipped on a little, got a couple sips of lean, you know what I'm saying? Niggas wrapped up, you know what I'm saying? But we on it now, man. Shit's looking real nice, man.
I don't know what they got going on right now, right?
Oh, man, I got a single, man. I like to fuck, man. Clearing that shit, about to put that shit out, man. And, you know, Fastlane, the album coming out real soon. We just trying to get that money, man, like everybody else, man. Like you watching the goddamn TV right now, internet, all that, DVD. Trying to get that money, man. You know, ain't nobody better than nobody. We all grinding, so. But that's just how we get it in. Yeah, man, I'm still with the unit, niggas. Niggas ask the question, am I still with the unit? You know what I'm saying? Definitely still with the unit. Me and Fib, all good, man. Talked to them like 3 days ago. Everything's still straight, man. So just look out for that release, man. Boy, Hot Rod, G-Unit, Interscope, Fastlane, man. We getting it in.
That MySpace on.
Yeah, myspace.com/Hot Rod. Kite TV's kytv.tv/Hot Rod TV, man. Check that shit out, man. We getting it in. And I'm real heavy on World Star Hip Hop, man. 1,000,000 views, getting it in.
So, man, Hot Rod, represent Prison UTV live at 3D. Check it out.
What it do is your girl Surreal, #1 Dame in the gang, Gutter Surreal. Switch your houses, the label Gutter Mamas, this is my clique, know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Candy Red, Homie, and Sugar, we doing it real big. Y'all be looking out for GM, Gutter Mamas coming real soon. But for right now, Switch your house is what it is. I'm Switch House First Lady, Gutter Surreal. Y'all check out my video on YouTube. Y'all hit up youtube.com/SwitchHouseTV. I got over 10,000 views on that thing in less than a week. So I'm grinding and I'm doing it. I'm in the streets and I'm getting it how I'm living. Know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Doing it real big. Prison UTV. Y'all already know how it go down. 2008, Ozone the boys. H-Time all day, every day. If you ain't out here, then you ain't doing nothing. You feel me? You gotta be out here grinding, networking, getting your hustle on. You feel me? Because it's a lot to get accomplished out here right now. Everybody out here, you know what I'm saying? Switch out. Get money, stay true.
So, CEO, baby, going down. H-Time, real.
Live on Prison TV, man, shutting it down, man. You know what I'm saying? Affiliated Soldiers in the building, man. Ozone Weekend, we here.
Going down, the city. Anything inside, right?
I told y'all.
Yeah.
MySpace, Affiliated Soldiers with a Z. Y'all know what it is, www.myspace.com, Affiliated Soldiers with a Z. Got it in. You know what I'm saying? So y'all don't get it twisted. Check it out, it's going down.
So, look.
Check it out, live at 3D Prison UTV. I am CO, the motherfucking Politician, live here with J Classic, DJ King, the Hustle Squad, DJ Family, and shit on that level there right there.
You already know who it is, man. DJ Mr. King, aka the Akron Ali. You just call me the mixtape highs and pause. We out here in Houston, Texas, doing it big for the Ozone. TJ's DJs, Hustle Squad DJs in the building, Kim Camp DJs in the building. You already know how we get it in. Shout to Prison UTV, man. That's how we do it.
You already know what it is. Homie J Classic, the executive. We got these records, Halle Berry, Walk That Walk. Check out my film. We got them smashing, my nigga. My nigga
You just blabbing, man. You don't pay attention to nothing you just said.
My nigga Chuck T.
Go get, you know already know, man. It's Carolina King, DJ Chuck T, a.k.a. the Lord and Savior Southern Mixtapes, a.k.a. Mr. Publicity, a.k.a. man, I could go on and on and on with them a.k.a.s. Oh, wait, hold up, I got a new one. A.k.a. Get this one now, a.k.a. Fuck with Chuck T, and I'm gonna make your label buy 600,000 copies of your album just to make it look like it sold something. You already know, man. You know how it is. DJ Chuck TV out here at the motherfucking Ozone Awards, man, chilling with my Hustle Squad family, you know what I'm saying? I'm a nigga who runs with, I run with very few DJ crews, man, really just two, you know, Noise Mob, Hustle Squad, the Gatekeepers family, you know, those are they real blood, so they don't really matter, you know what I'm saying, because they real blood. Yeah, man, we out here at the Ozone Awards, man, you know how I go down, man, J Classic, Mr. King, man, the whole crew out here, man, the Carolinas in this bitch, man, it's a real lovely experience, man, you know what I'm saying, H-Town, baby, you already know.
Just gonna let y'all know what to do, man.
Right there.
Already.
Got it on your mind, partner, get it off your chest. You got it on your mind, partner, get it off your chest. 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 Get it off.